Welcome to Whips Most Wanted, where you find the most wanted whips.
That sound good.
Hell no, you can't ride this car nowhere, man.
That thing sound good. Told you had some work done to it. So you want to do a quick walk around, man, or you just want to wait till you get here? Since we finally got it out here. What's going on, YouTube? Back one more time. This time we bringing you a Scat Pack charger. Guy brought it in. He got the back bumper done and he got the front bumper done. And from what I heard, he's about to get it wrapped. So, you know, I gotta show the badge. Scat Pack there. $392. He got the car really hooked up, man. So I got to hear them crank it up when they pulled it out. They pulled it out a little while ago. Sounds real good. Got some clean rims on there. You know what that's for. Let's put that meat down right there. So I got the racing rim in the back, racing wheels. So hopefully I get to see it again once they finish wrapping it, doing everything that they got to do to it. So hopefully there will be a part 2. Another thing, Chawn also put the lights down low, so I'm gonna put a little video to probably insert it somewhere around here to let y'all see the lights down there. So oh, there you go. He must have heard me talking. High quality lights. It's bright as hell outside, but you can still see them lights right there. So I saw him dance to the music earlier and all, so it's coming. Like I said, hopefully I will get a part 2. So we'll see what's up. Got the Scat Pack.
Alright, once again, Whips Most Wanted fam, please like, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell.